Have you seen the great new tool that a lot of people are using on social media, where they take any image that they have and they make it clickable so that when they do click on it, it takes them to a URL, maybe your website, maybe another location? My name's Lay. I'm with Lay Scheidel Video Productions, and I'm creating a tutorial here for you because I would like to show you a free tool that I found that will do just that for you. It's called AnyImage.io, and I'm going to take you over to that page. So if I take you here, what you have is this particular software. You just take an image. So we're going to go get an image on my computer. And I click on the Browse the File. And then I've already found a location where I'm going to do this, and I already did one, but I'm going to do another one. So I select the image. Takes a minute to load it up. Does some calculating, probably a little bit of resizing to get it in the file. And then it's going to ask us for some details. Okay, and that's our screen here for the details. So it wants a title, and I'm just going to say it's a sunset. And I can give a description. This is a sunset from my backyard. Doesn't matter. You can put anything you want. If you wanted more details about it, whatever. And then in this case, I'm going to send you to my website. So I'll type my URL to my website. And specifically, I want them taken to a page called Featured Video Samples. And then you can select here to have a large card or a small card. That's your choices here. I'm going to have a larger size one. And then I'm going to just finish that by clicking Finish here. Takes a couple minutes to upload. And what it's going to do in the end is it's going to give us a link. I want to show you that you have options here to connect with Twitter. So it brings you up in Twitter or Facebook or LinkedIn. So you could go directly there. Or you can copy this link, and then I can bounce over. This is my business page where I already did this earlier. So here's a sample here. If I click on it, this will take you now to a page on my website. Now this was to go to the demos page on my website so that people would come and look at the video demos. I could have attached that to any image, and I could send it to any URL that I wanted. I just chose this one. Okay, in this case, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go to my timeline. I'm going to post that URL that I copied from the software there. I'm going to add a message to it. And then once it's ready, you can see it's brought this up, and we're going to post it. And once I post it, you're going to see that image now, that sunset image comes up, and if I click on it, it's going to take us over to the featured video samples page of my website. And so you can see I was able to set this up to a different one than I had on the first one that I did before this. I hope you find this helpful, and I look forward to bringing you more training in the future. Thanks a lot.